This is the affiliate marketing blueprint that I use to generate passive income online, and I am going to explain each element in detail in this video. I'm going to break everything down so that you can understand and follow it step by step and start building a recurring revenue stream with affiliate marketing. Before we even discuss this, before we even break it down, first up you need to decide what niche you want to work on. So what is a niche? Niche or niche simply means a very specific category or the market that you are focusing on. Finding or choosing a niche is a huge stumbling block for many people as they fear they are not experienced enough or have very little knowledge. Just don't overthink it. Nobody is an expert at the beginning. I'll suggest some niches to make it easier for you. Or by the way, you can call it a niche or niche, whatever that you're comfortable with. I just call it niche. Generally, there are three huge markets to choose your niche from: health, wealth, relationships. From these three big markets, you'd have to narrow it down to a specific topic that is a sub-niche. In case of health, we can narrow it down to weight loss, fitness, diet. In wealth, we can narrow it down to marketing, passive income, stock trading, cryptos. And in relationships, it could be dating, marriage, parenting, and so on. We can go even deeper and niche down or narrow down it further to get into something specific. For example, in health, let's say we pick diet. It can be narrowed down to paleo diet, keto diet, vegan diet, etc. In wealth, if you pick passive income category, it can be making money with YouTube, affiliate marketing, passive income with blogging, and so on. In relationships, if we pick dating, for example, we can narrow it down to how to talk to girls, how to propose, gifting to partners, pickup strategies, and so on. I think you got the idea now. The more you narrow the market down, the more specific niche you can target, which has less competition and more profitability. You can go ahead and find something that you like or have some interest in because you are going to be creating content in that niche for a long time. If you're still having trouble deciding your niche, then I have some suggestions that I know will do well. This suggestion is based on YouTube as a traffic source. So if you take YouTube, you can create a lot of content on YouTube, right? You can create software tutorials, WordPress plugin tutorials, online app tutorials, review of all of the above. For example, you can learn how to use a specific video editor and then create tutorials on the go. You learn something and you create a video on that something, which should help a lot of beginners out there. In the description, you can give your affiliate link to the video editing software, and you can even maybe let people know that you will do editing for them as a service. You see, the potential to make money with this is endless. My niche is online business, that is helping other people make money online with affiliate marketing, to be specific. And I make money by recommending them courses, systems, software, services that makes their life easier and helps them reach their end goal. Once you find and decide your niche that you're going to stick with, it's time to find some products. There are some product criteria that I have before promoting any product. The product is something that I like and use. The product should provide value for the customer. The commissions are worth my time and effort. In short, the product should be high quality and the commissions are high enough for me to promote it. Now let's look at how you can find the product to promote. Couple of ways you can go and find products to promote. One is doing a simple Google search. Another is using marketplaces like ClickBank, JVZoo, PayKickstart, etc. These are the networks that manage the affiliate program for the vendor, and there are plenty of options to choose from. For example, in ClickBank, sign up as an affiliate and choose your category and find something that looks good. Research on the product, the reviews, and heck, even buy to test if it's worthy to promote it. Not all products are great here. In fact, a lot of products here are low quality and you have to do a little research to find something good. Want a video on how to find affiliate products? Let me know in the comment section and I will make it. Now then, let's take a look again at this affiliate marketing blueprint. The lack of a proven blueprint or roadmap is the reason behind the failure of newbie affiliate marketers. This is going to open your eyes if you have been struggling to see any results at all. First up, you need visitors to make affiliate commissions. we call it traffic. If I say traffic, it simply means visitors visiting your website or affiliate link. I'll be talking about traffic after I explain other elements in this blueprint. Let's take a look at this first one. The traffic, that is the visitors, will be visiting this thing called an opt-in page, also called an email capture page, instead of your affiliate link directly. Quick note, if I say email capture page, opt-in page, or a squeeze page, it all means the same. So why do you need to send people to an opt-in page instead of your affiliate link? The reason here is very simple. We are going to collect the contact information of people visiting our web page. In this case, it's emails. Here's an example. This is an email capture page for a product called Partner with Anthony, which I am an affiliate of. If someone puts their email in, they become our lead. Just as I've shown right here, it becomes, when someone puts in their email right in here in this opt-in page, they become our lead and get stored into an email list. Now, why should people give their emails to you? Well, you are going to give them something for free in exchange for their email. That something should be something that people really want. So they're happy to give you their email address. Make sense? It could be a PDF document, a free video, a video course, or anything that they might want. We call it lead magnet in the language of affiliate marketing. We prepare this lead magnet specifically to help people and sell the affiliate product that we want. Here on this opt-in page, I am promising them a training about affiliate marketing and show them a secret partner system that will help them make money. People are curious and really want to see that. So they enter their email in here and become a lead. Once they enter their email in here, they will be redirected to something called a bridge page or a thank you page, where you will deliver what you promised. That is, deliver your lead magnet. They will go through your lead magnet and see a recommendation or recommendations with your affiliate links in it. So if people decide to check your recommendation, they click your affiliate link, they go to the sales page, and if they buy, you make a nice affiliate commission. This is what my bridge page looks like. You can see I am giving them a training and introducing them to this partner system as promised right here. They will watch all these videos and will see my recommendation in this button right here, which has my affiliate link in it. When they click that, they go to the sales page, and when they buy, I make affiliate commissions, that is, make money. Hope you are getting this. So what happens once they enter their emails? Their emails will be saved inside an email marketing service, also called an autoresponder. What happens is when people give you their email, they get saved into a list, also called an email list, and simultaneously he or she will be redirected to the bridge page that you created. What to do with all the emails? What's the purpose? Obviously, we are going to follow up with them and remind them about the affiliate product to buy. What's going to happen is once they are in this email list right here, immediately, according to your settings, they will start receiving your emails that you have already set up in advance in a fully automated way. So to set this up, you need to have few emails ready, ideally 7 to 10, however many you want for a single product. You're going to include your bridge page link in the first few emails. Then if you have a review created, you can send them there. Or if you have some bonuses in exchange for them buying the product through your link, mention that. The whole point of this email is to remind them and encourage people to buy the product, resulting in you making affiliate commissions as the end result. There are people who simply send traffic directly to the sales page, the affiliate link, instead of an opt-in page. Hate to tell you this, but the conversion rate is very low with that MHA strategy. It's less than 2% likely someone is going to buy at the very first visit. It takes multiple exposures to a product for people to make a decision to buy. This is why this email marketing thing here is very important. They give you a chance to convince the same set of people multiple times why they need your product. You can educate them, you can send them free gifts, ask questions, and build trust with your email leads. You do not need thousands of visitors and leads to be successful with affiliate marketing. You only need a handful of people who trust you. Now, there are people who simply spam people like say buy. Please don't do that. This will simply destroy your whole hard work of getting all those leads. Provide value first and nurture your email list, as this is the most important thing in your business. They are not just leads or numbers, they are people. Respect them, respond to their replies, and recommend high quality products, and they will be with you forever. If you want to be successful with affiliate marketing, you got a plan for it. You don't need luck, you need a blueprint that is proven to work, and just follow it step by step. This right here is a machine, and you build these parts together to make it work for you to generate those affiliate commissions. The whole thing from opt-in page to lead magnet to bridge page, review page, collectively it is called a funnel. This machine right here funnels out unwanted, uninterested people. That's why it's called a funnel. Before we build this, we need to understand what tools you need to build this business. So first up is a funnel builder. To create a funnel, you need a funnel builder or a landing page builder. First up is funnel builder, and the second is email marketing software or an autoresponder. You can create funnels on a WordPress website which requires a domain and hosting, or there are independent software options which can create a funnel which doesn't require any hosting at all. If you don't want to create a WordPress website, you can use services like ClickFunnels or Kartra, which are pretty easy and user-friendly to use, but the downside is that they are expensive and most cannot afford it. ClickFunnels, for example, is $97 per month, and that means about $1,200 a year. Instead, what I did is I got myself a domain, a hosting, and used a WordPress plugin called ThriveSuite for all my needs without any limits. Apart from creating funnels, I can also build a beautiful blog with it. I have purchased the domain name from namecheap.com, hosting from hosting.com. It's a very affordable hosting, perfect for beginners, and great support. I will leave a link below for everything that I mentioned here in the description below. That takes care of my website and funnels. Let's move on. The second tool that we need is email autoresponder or email marketing service, right? For email marketing, I use GetResponse. It has a free plan, and I think it's perfect for beginners to get started. And that's about it. Now, do you want me to show you building this blueprint out in detail? Right? If you want, let me know in the comment section below, and I will create like how I go about and create an opt-in page from scratch, how to go and create a bridge page, and how to create emails, how to create email list and such. Right? If you want me to do that, leave a comment below. Now, if you actually want to build this out super quick, right, set this up in like few hours, maybe 1 or 2 hours max, you can go ahead and check this product called Automated Commission System. This is by Ben Fletcher, one of the most reputed members that actually releases good products. Okay, and you will get also my bonuses where I will cover this part for you. All right, the traffic part. So I am going to show you how to get biased traffic from Facebook and YouTube if you actually get it through my link. Right, when you go ahead and once you purchase it, you will see this button called Access Affiliate Bonuses. So you click on that and you will get your bonuses instantly. All right, you can learn more about it. I will leave the link below. So let's just take a look at the sales page of Automated Commission System. So this is the sales page, and this is really a no bullshit product by Benjamin Fletcher, and you can buy it for $17 as of now. All right, and you can read on and whatever that you want to do. All right, I have actually gone in depth about this product in this video itself, so check that out. Highly recommended. All right, now I will see you in the next video. Cheers.